Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox high ping problem easy and quick. First, of course, you have to try something like restart your computer or turning off and on your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet cable, unleash it and then put it on again. And after that, if that doesn't fix it, just go to command prompt and then type ping 1111 and then wait a few seconds and then do the same with ping 88888. Now you have to see which one is faster for you, and for me, as you see, it's the one ping, not 8, and that's it. First one is much faster, as you see here, so I will just choose this one. And now just close it and go back and then open a wait, I have to turn off this one. Now open control panel, go to view network status and tasks, and then once you're here, open this one, click on connections, and then go to properties, protocol internet version 4, used following DNS server addresses. As I said before, I will use 1111 DNS, and just copy this code if you are just like me, and then click OK. And if the 81 is faster for you, all you have to do just type 88888844 and then click OK, and that's it. You can reset it whenever you want, just come back here and click here, and that's it. If that doesn't fix it, now all you have to do, just try something like restart your Wi-Fi router or something like that. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.